Hi guys, welcome to my channel Technosource Vision. Uh, my name is Vandana. Today I am going to explain about the array list, and this video is part of another video which I have created on array list. So for today I am going to show how you can remove the duplicate element from the array list. So for this I am going to create a method to remove the duplicate element from the array list. So first you need to create an Java file to write your program there. So just I am created an dummy project on there. So first I have gone in src folder. So just click on the right click on the src folder, then create a new class, name it as the array list example. Because I have used this name previous, so I am going to change this name as example 2, and I want public static void main string main method imported in on this program, so that's why I click on that method also. So for removing the duplicate element, first I am showing how you can what step you need to follow. So for this, first you need to create an array list with duplicate employee name, duplicate employee name, and then create another empty array. Then third step, iterate to the first array, iterate to first array and take the occurrence of each name array first, each name from array first, occurrence of each name from array first, and then compare with array, compare with second array by using contents method. And last step, just print the array list. So for this first, you better understand when I am going to write program. So for this first you need to import a package. So just import the import package. So I need a import java.util package for array list. So just use this package to import the array list. Okay, so for removing the duplicate elements, for removing the duplicate employee name from array list, first I need to create an array list. So just inside the main method, I am going to create the array list. So just use the array list, and I am going to create take the string data type because I name is always an string, and then new, and then array list, and then type as the string. Then add the element inside the array list. So for this I am using the add method of array list. So pass the string, pass the name of the employee. So just I want to give the dummy name, so just I am giving the Ram. Okay, the sentence erase is there, just leave there. So just take the name of add the name of the employee, according to your choice which you want. I want Ram, then Syam, then Yam, then Ramu, then again Ram. I don't want just I want Yam again, so that's why I given the Yam. And after that I am going to iterate the each element which is present in the first array which I created just now. If you want to know the how you can create the array list, so it was my first video of array list, so you can better understand how you can create the array list. So just I am going moving forward, so just I am printing the element of first array. So for this, first see the output what we are getting. So output is come as Ram, Syam, Yam, Ramu, Ram and Yam. So I want to remove the duplicate name from here, just like Ram, Syam, then Yam, then Ramu. Ram and Yam I don't want to print again, so that is why I am going to create and remove duplicate method. So for this, just go to the top to the main method and write your public static. Then return type of this method is ArrayList and take the argument as a string. Then the name of the method is remove duplicate. Then pass the argument of first element. The remove duplicate method take the array list of first string. So just pass as the array list first array list as argument in this method. And return type of this method and just create the another array list. Array list. And type of this string is also array because I am going to compare with array list 1 and store some element of array list 1 to the unique element of array list 1 from to array list 2. So just create an empty string. Okay. After that, just write the sentence here. So just use the for each loop and iterate this loop with the first array. So just first array. Then compare by using the if method. So if use the not equal to symbol. So here I want to compare whether string means array list 2 contains the element of array 1 or not. If it contains the array list element if it contains the list elements, then it simply ignores. If it not contains the element of is first array list, then we can add those elements to the array list too. So that is why I go to compare first al2 dot, then content method is used to compare, so that is why I use the content method, not for comparison, but I just want to check whether it contains or not, so that is why. So first al2 then dot contains, and I want to compare with the first array list, so that is why I will pass the string, and first time I iterated with the array list 1. So just if it is not contained, then add the elements to al2 dot, then add and just pass the string as just. Okay, so the meaning of this, if al2 means our array list 2 not contains the element of array list 1, then add the elements to the array list 2. If it contains, then simply neglect them. If it not contains, then add the elements to the array list 2. And for each loop I have used to iterate with the first array list. And after that, simply I am going to return the empty array list. So just return al2. Okay, that is enough from this side. Just go to the main method. In main method, just use the array list reference same to store the array elements on the second array. So just because I want to iterate the every element, so that is why I am using array list to reference to print those elements of array list 2. So for printing the array list 2 elements, I just so here I am passing the first array list elements which goes to here. Then and for printing the array list 2 elements, I am just using the for each loop. So just iterate through the array list 2. So just give the string name as s1 if you want. Otherwise, you can give the s because it is local variable, so it's not effect outside of the scope. So just print s. Okay. So again, okay. First, we need to differentiate with the word because we might get the confused like going on. So first, user sys out. Okay. Just written here employee name with duplication. Okay. Okay. Then copy the same line and just written here employee name without duplication. So we can understand the difference between the words. So just run this program. Okay. So now if you are able to see here, first we are getting the employee name with duplication, just Ram, Syam, Yam, Ramu, Ram or Yam. And after that we are getting the employee name without duplication, just as Ram, Syam, Yam and then Ramu. So Ram and Yam are regular because they are coming another time. So that is all about the how you can remove the duplicate elements from the array list. So at last, thank you.